For more than 75 years, Bowman Acme has been the leader in expansion joint technology. From our technical field service to our design and engineering services, BIM services, estimating services, and more. We provide our customer with what they need in order to get the job done right. Now, we are proud to offer our brand new expansion joint inspection services. We partner with DOTs, engineers, and other inspection service agencies to provide our expertise on expansion joint conditions and technology through both condition assessments and bridge element inspection criteria. Our assessment of your bridge and highway expansion joint is conducted through a variety of methods, all non-destructive. First, the visual inspection takes place to evaluate the joint and headers. Next, if needed, we look below the surface of the concrete using the most sophisticated ground-penetrating radar technology. We do quantitative corrosion mapping to help determine if there is conduit or rebar on or near your expansion joint. Ultrasonic technology can also be used for many aspects of our inspections, such as void detection and cracks, concrete assessment, and imaging. The inspection team at Bowman Acme is very tuned in with the requirements surrounding the bridge inspections. We even understand how they may vary from state to state. This is why all of our inspections are in alignment with bridge elements in the MBEI Manual for Bridge Element Inspections. Also, when writing up your inspection report, we stay within the known condition assessments. As an industry leader, our goal is to always make sure that we are supporting our customers, not only with the right products, but also by helping them to simplify their job. We know that not everyone is an expansion joint expert. That is why we offer this service as a supplement to your overall inspection project. To learn more about Bowman Acme's inspection services, contact your local rep today or visit us at watsonbowmanacme.com. Bowman Acme, we are not just a product company, we are a solutions provider.